Here comes Speed Racer, he's a demon on wheels. He's a demon and he's gonna be chasing after someone.
If you wanted to, if I see you now, speak. If I see you now, speak. If I see you now, speak. He's expensive. He's expensive. He's expensive. If I see you now, speak. These is red bottoms. Red bottoms. These is red bottoms. If I see you now, speak. I'm a boss who a worker. I'm a boss who a worker. If I see you now, speak. They see pictures, they say ghosts. Bitch, I'm who they tryna be. Look. They see pictures, they say ghosts. Bitch, I'm who they tryna be. Look. They see pictures, they say ghosts. Bitch, I'm who they tryna be. Look. They see pictures, they say ghosts. Bitch, I'm who they tryna be. Look. If I see you now, speak. When they go back to the horse. When they go back to the horse. Back to the horse. Back to the horse. When they go back to the horse.
Got him! Got him! Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
All right, guys, this Porsche out here that made me go straight Cardi B on her.
As I was out of my new favorite drag strip, Northstar, testing my trans brake using the original stock tires, the Nittos, and a guy kept lining up against me in a Porsche 911S Turbo. It was kind of an odd situation because, you know, I wanted to talk to the guy. I waved at him, tried to get his attention, but he was really focused on whatever he was focused on and wouldn't even look over at me, but made sure to line up to race the demon. So I kind of could figure out what was going on. But anyway, guys, it got me to thinking, man, I would love to race so-called fast stock cars, put them up against the demon just to see what they can do. I mean, the demon, it is what it is, but I was impressed at how it came out in this deal. Anyway, guys, see me out at Northstar. I'm snatching souls. Demonology, I'm out. Peace.
If I see you and I don't speak.